Hi, this is Bob, All-Star Ford here in Denham Springs. And today I'm going to show you the 2019 Ford Bullitt. Bullitt is a Ford Mustang. It's not your ordinary GT Mustang. The car is designed to represent the Ford Mustang that was used in the movie Bullitt with Steve McQueen back in 1968. And if you've ever seen a car chase scene, it's regarded as one of the greatest car chase scenes of all time, featuring Steve McQueen through the streets of San Francisco. It comes in the green color. This is the only color you can get the Mustang in. It's through the Bullitt here. This vehicle features a couple other designs. Only comes in a manual the cue ball shifter there, which is what Steve McQueen had in the car originally. But it's not a 1960s Mustang. It is upgraded for 2019, as you can see with all the upgraded features. The push button start, touchscreen navigation, stuff they didn't have back then. And the best part is that if you did want to even try to race it, it comes in the Recaro seats here. And you'll notice the bolsters here. This is meant to keep you inside your car while you're taking those tight turns so you don't fly out. And you can keep your seating. One of my favorite features of the vehicle, keeping with the green theme. If you notice the stitching is all done in green as well. It's the only vehicle out there in the Mustang lineup that does anything like that, and they only remake this vehicle every 10 to 20 years, so it'll be a while before it comes out again, and you don't see very many of them. We only get about one or two of these when they come out, and then that's it. And if you can't find any more, it's gone. Come over here to the engine, upgraded Mustang engine 5.0. You'll see it's got the open air. It's got the Bullitt protect your engine right there. 5.0 engine. You got the same amount of horsepower you got, 527 horsepower. So if you want to go fast, this is the vehicle you need. And it's one of a kind, so if you like something that's unique, this is the way to go. Come down and see us here at All-Star Ford here in Denham Springs.